So how many times or how often do you need to have dental x-rays? Well, the answer is it all depends upon you and your current situation. Do you go to the dentist regularly? Are you healthy? If you're healthy, maybe you don't need x-rays for every 2 years, right? If you have some kind of dental pain and always have dental pain, you can have them every time you come see us for a particular focused problem. We're gonna have to take a new x-ray to see kind of what the condition is of the tooth, the bone, all around it. Is there any decay or anything? Are you undergoing current treatment with implants? You're going to need more frequent x-rays. But all in all, be told, if you're nice and healthy, you're going to need x-rays probably 2 years. If you are more at risk for hygiene, it's probably highly recommended that you get them every year. If you had a root canal recently done, in order to see the healing and the bad infection underneath the tooth, in order to see the healing, every 6 months is required. That way we can see that infection is slowly going away, because that could take up to 2 years for the full healing to actually complete. So no simple question. If you're prescribed an X-ray by your dental professional, gladly accept it and know that there's a good reason behind it. Don't fight it, even if insurances do not pay, because at the end of the day, it's relatively cheap. It's not like the hospital where they're going to charge you $2,000 for an X-ray. $25, $35, whatever it may be, it's well worth it and your health.